YouTube, what is up? This is Ace Rollin. Listen, I've been what do you want? Real busy, but I've been working on this project for my garage. As you guys know, in my previous videos, my garage just completely sucked and I had to do something about it. I just could not take it anymore. So you guys see right here, I got the shed right there and it's full. I got all my crap out of the garage into the shed, and my dog Cash right there. He wants all the attention. He don't even want me to make no videos, but check this out. We're gonna open up the garage and we're gonna give y'all a sneak peek at the progress. For the last 2 weeks I've been working real hard trying to get this thing done, and this garage is having a complete and total makeover. Here it is, you guys. As you can see, everything is out of here. Only thing left is the refrigerator in here. Got a few power tools right there. Everything is out. I'm actually in the stages of, the first stages of putting some prime on the wall right here. Getting it ready to be painted. We're getting some new outlets put in. As you see, this is the only outlet, well, there's 2 outlets in the garage, but this is the main one I normally use. This main one right here, right there, you know, for the garage. That's basically for the garage door opener that I have to install too. But I am so happy to get all of that crap out of here. Finally. And because y'all tuned into this video here, I got something real cool to show y'all. As y'all already know, here's the 1LE right there. And right next to it, check that out. That's my bike. That's right here. That's my 2006 Suzuki M109, fully custom, fully built by me and my friends on air ride suspension. You can see how low she sits right there. There it is. This is my baby right here. Tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of custom work done on this bike. Hours and hours and hours of just being in the garage and working on it, you know. But I think she turned out really great. I'll try to get like a better picture of you guys. You see that fat tire in the back? That's a 250 in the back right there. Got the custom gear shift indicator, LED controller for the lights, because this bike has, at nighttime, if I light it up, she's got over 1,000 LEDs on it. I mean, she really lights up the whole road. But it's so sweet because you can't really tell that there's any LED lights on here because the wiring is done really, really well. But anyhow, now I'll just show y'all the 1LE right here. There she is, chilling. We building her a new home so she can live. I'm gonna keep posting these videos, giving you guys some updates. I got some really cool stuff planned for this garage. I mean, it's gonna be like my toy shop. I'm gonna be able to put all my toys in there. It's gonna be dope. Make sure you guys stay tuned for all the videos. This is video number 1. Like I said, I've been working on this thing for 2 weeks, and that's why I haven't even posted any videos, because I haven't had time to do any editing. But I'm gonna get this one out to you guys as soon as possible so you guys can keep updated on the progress of the toy shop. So without further ado, this is Ace, and I'm rolling out.